Here I've got Motorola E6 Plus, and let me show you how to activate airplane mode on the following device. So you have two methods. The quickest one is through the upper bar. Simply slide it down and select airplane mode icon, click on it, and that's it. As you can see now, airplane mode is on, and then you can deactivate it by tapping on the same switcher one more time. And now it's off and all your networks and connections are active. Then you can also activate it through the settings. So let's open list of all applications at first, pick the settings, go to the network and internet, and then click on advanced. Here you will notice airplane mode, so if you'd like to switch off all connections, click on airplane mode. And that's it. Also you can locate the plane icon right next to the battery, and that means that you are in airplane mode. Then if you'd like to switch flight mode off, simply tap on the same icon one more time, and that would be all. This is how you can activate and deactivate airplane mode on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.